Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Oscar Eduardo Tlaxcaltec Ortega. I am in Environmental Science and Sustainable Development major, and I am in my third semester. Today I would like to talk about growing spinach. Spinach is an important vegetable because it has several benefits, like increased muscle, strength, and low weight. Spinach growth is very important for farmers because it represents an important income from their families. Some foreign companies export spinach to Canada and the United States, but they do it illegally. I will divide my presentation into three parts. The first part will talk about the cultivating condition. I will mention the condition of soil and seed development. The second part will mention the methods of plantation. In the third and the last part, I will talk about the use of agrochemical in spinach. I will mention some pros and cons of the use of agrochemicals. Let's begin. Soil conditions for spinach growth are moist soils, soils with organic matter and fertilized, soil pH should be between 6 and 6.5, soil rich in nitrogen, fertile soils. Soil conditions are important to many farmers. If soil doesn't have this condition, they must spend money to make it suitable for planting. Now, there are two methods to plant spinach. The first method is to plant the seed directly into the ground and wait for the outbreak. This method is cheap and simple. The second method is called seedling. This method is to plant the seed in a styrofoam box and wait for the outbreak. The seed grows about 10 centimeters. Then you can transplant it into soil. Settling is done under controlled conditions in a greenhouse. This method is more expensive, but safer against natural phenomena. In seed development, it's important to use agrochemicals like fertilizer, but is it correct to use them? In this last part, I will mention the pros and cons of using agrochemicals. The pros are accelerates plant growth, prevent plant diseases, increase the color of the plant. The cons are makes the soil infertile, generate pollution, the organism may generate diseases as anemia, may be fatal if ingested. In brief, if we want to cultivate good spinach, it is necessary that our soil has enough nutrients for seed. It's also important to know which method to apply to invest wisely. Harvesting vegetables generates an important income for families farmers. This income has been enough to plant again. The Mexican soil represents a great part of the gross domestic product.